Hello everybody.
Hello.
Today you join me and Mum in my French kitchen for another recipe. What are we making today, Mum?
Toad in the hole. If anybody doesn't know what toad in the hole is, it's sausages cooked in batter.
Yeah, it's using a Yorkshire pudding mix, and we're going to put some extras in there to make it really tasty, aren't we?
We are. We've got some nice apples and some nice onions, which go very nice with sausages. So they're going in there as well.
They are. So without further ado, Mum, you're the expert at batters and cakes. You going to make the batter for me?
I will, yes. You have to rest the batter for 30 minutes before you put it in the hot oil with the onions and the sausages and everything.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to use 3 eggs. They're medium to large eggs, I'd say, won't you?
Mm-hmm.
So, crack it on the side. Pop it in. And this is my mum's recipe. So we put the eggs into a measuring jug and we see how far the eggs come up, which is 200 ml. So we pour the eggs into the bowl. As I've only got one measuring jug, I have to do it like this. So what we do next then, we put the same measurement of milk. (200 ml) into the mixing bowl. You wipe that out, because otherwise the flour will stick. And put the same measurement of flour. Bit of tap, shake it down, a little more than it needs. That's it. I'll just whisk the eggs and the milk together. So they're nicely mixed. And as I'm whisking, I add the flour. Good old whisk. All around the edges.
Bit of elbow grease there, Mum?
Oh yes. My mum used to do it with 2 large forks held together. That was her favourite way of making batters. And meringue as well.
See? Okay.
Right, so now we add some black pepper, some salt, and we give that a nice whisk. Whisk as much air into it as you can. You can use an electric whisk if you wish. I find this is adequate. The old-fashioned way.
Yeah, why not?
It's good exercise as well.
It is.
It's mixed well, as you can see. It's full of air.
Lovely.
And we leave it to stand now for at least 30 minutes. It doesn't matter if it's longer, but it needs 30 minutes to stand. And then when the fat is hot in the dish, as we'll show you later, you add it to the very hot oil in the dish. So we peel the apples, two medium apples. These ones are a bit rustic, so I've got 3 here in case I can't use all of one apple, of the 2 apples. I've got another one in reserve.
Lovely.
These are homegrown apples and they've been kept since they've been picked, so they can have bits that you can't use on them.
We've also got 4 nice sprigs of sage that are going to go in, and I'm just going to prepare these onions.
Yeah. What are you doing, Sam?
So I'm just peeling and cutting the onions in half. So we've got 4 little onions, medium to small onions, and I'm just going to cut them in half, so we'll have 8 pieces. We've got 8 sausages going in as well.
Oh, that'd be lovely. Okay.
So I've just put 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the roasting pan, and that goes into the oven to hot up.
This is mustard, sea salt, black pepper, and roll the apple into it to give it a nice flavour. So the apple is now coated in the mix of dried mustard powder, sea salt and black pepper.
Lovely. So I've put the sausages and the onions in the oil. They're going in the oven for 10 minutes to start them off.
I'm turning the sausages and the onions now. And then we add the prepared apple that has the mustard powder, salt and pepper on. You just spread it around so it's quite evenly spaced. And then we add
Sprigs of sage.
yes. There we go. And now the batter. It again a little bit as it's been standing for half an hour before I pour it on. There we go.
Straight back in the oven with that then, yeah?
Yes, straight back in the oven. Lovely.
Wow, that's ready.
That looks gorgeous. Lovely sizzling straight from the oven. And a little flat spatula. Oh, that looks nice. I'll get the Johnson rolls.
There you are, Sean. What do you make of that?
There's something special there. Certainly worked up an appetite. This is just what I need. Bon appetit, everyone.
There you go, Mum. Bon appetit.
Thank you. Looks delicious.
Now I'm going to tuck into mine. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, do try it. It's delicious.
Yeah, and let us know what you think of the recipe. But we all thoroughly enjoyed it, didn't we, Mum?
We did, yes.
Okay, well, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.